Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Matt Plays Your Games. Today, we're once again going to try and get through as many as we can, and let's just get right into it, starting with Goose Simulator. So, Goose Simulator brings you the stupidest gameplay you've ever seen, hundreds of dumb glitches, the worst figures you've ever seen, and the dumbest missions ever. So this just sounds like it's very similar to Goat Simulator, so let's just get right in and play it. Okay, so here we are. Let's just go and press play. Go to the secret hideout to get outfits. Okay. Oh, this isn't the graphics I'm expecting. Looks nice though. Looks unique. Can I fly? There's controls on the top left. So hide controls. I don't know what's going on with the corner of my screen. It looks a bit weird. Hide show controls, move around, jump, look, sprint, pick up things. I don't know what I've got inside of me, what I'm holding now. Oh, is that a gun? That is a gun, okay. Oh, is that a... Okay, it's like a grappling gun. Okay. So is that how I fly then? So pick up, right is hit, left is grapple, yeah, 4 is honk, there you go. G is defecate, of course, so you need that in games. R is ragdoll and unragdoll, oh wow, okay, that is, yeah, they weren't joking about glitches then, that is quite extreme. Okay, C is fart, launches you in the air, okay. Q is shoot gun. Geese have very bad aim, so make sure to get close to your target and shoot while standing still. Okay, right. Yeah. So, I mean, you kind of guess what kind of game it is. It's just a silly little game you just mess about. Very similar to Goat Simulator, like I say, I think. Oh, he can't drive very well. But yeah, I mean, this is it. Just go explore about. So I wonder what there is to do. There's a person there. Okay, so what, I can shoot them? It's not from there. Oh, there we go. Is there someone? Oh, that's a dollar sign, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, we just jumped up. Alright. What's this? Vault code collected. Use this along with 2 other items to rob the bank. Oh, okay. I guess that's kind of my objective now then. See if I can find those so I can rob the bank, I suppose. What if I ragdoll in the air while I'm doing grapple? Oh, yeah, just... I mean, the ragdoll itself just breaks everything. Let's go to the top of the crane. It's up here. Oh, is this just money that I can collect, maybe? Hit these. Yeah? Yeah, so I got $5. Okay. What can I do with that? Oh, just push that off the edge. Wow, that's quite bouncy. Oh, there's a party or something going on here. Didn't even see these people here. I just got followed with a dark one. Oh, I've jumped off something. I'm back up on the crane. How did they get all the way down there? I went so far. Cinema. Can I get in the cinema? Probably not, because it says enter on the bank. Yeah, I can't. Okay, so let's go in the bank. I don't have the vault codes, but let's see what's in there. Press X to rob register. Oh, I've just done that in front of her. Okay, she doesn't really seem to care that much, to be honest. Fair enough. I need a bomb. I thought I needed a vault code. Alright, okay. Well, so I can just go in and take the money and no one cares. Okay, fair enough. Is there any police in the game? Are they gonna do anything about that? I really don't know what's going on in the corners of my screen in this game, but yeah, there you go. Can I just attach to the car? Oh, no I can't. Okay, well I completely missed the car. Alright. Oh, I went through a building. Oh, there's a map over here as well. Okay. Supermarket 24/7. Oh, it's busy there. Right. What else is there? Is that a prison? Was that an airport? I guess an airport, okay. Can I fly a plane? Oh, the airport is just like this. With a ramp at the end, okay. Oh, there's another goose in there. Oh, I forgot I can do that, can't I? Yeah. Am I pushing? What's happening? I think that's me pushing it. Yeah, okay. E is pick up. Yeah. Oh, E is also to get in. Oh, okay, this is How does this work? It's not WSD. It's not mouse. It's not arrows. Okay, E gets in and out. Q doesn't do anything. It's just spinning. Oh, I've tabbed out the game. Okay, let's shift. Okay, it's shift. Right. Okay, I think I've got something. Maybe this is. Okay, yeah, that's kind of working. I guess you could call this working. Oh, I use the mouse to turn. Okay, this is not easy to control. I'm so low. I can't get any air. Like I can't get up any altitude. I'm sunk now. Okay, this is right. Okay, maybe flying isn't the best thing to do. Oh, am I going up now? There we go. Okay. Right, I'm flying. Oh no. I can't really control it though. I'm just gonna get out. See what happens. Oh, is it just gonna stay there? Or is that falling? I don't think it is. I think it's just there now. It's a part of the town. It's the floating spinning plane in the sky. Okay. Can I interact with anyone? Nope. Well, not her anyway. There's still... yeah, that's just there. Okay. The sun is massive. Alright, some crashed cars over here. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, it's another one of these. Okay. Right. I might leave this one here, because I think I've seen... I mean, there's obviously going to be more to this game, but I think I might leave them here so I have time to get through the other ones as well. This was quite good. I mean, obviously, it's very broken, but I think that's what they are going for. I think that's what they think the appeal of the game is. I could do with some sound effect, some more sounds, maybe a bit of music in the background, but I mean, overall, still good fun game. But yeah, so I'm going to leave this one here. Thank you for submitting. Next up, we've got It Is Your Destiny. So this is an extreme horror game. So let's just get right in and see what it's all about. Here we are. Let's just press start. It all started as a joke, but then it got out of control. Okay.
Where the hell am I?
Alright, okay, so yeah, where are we? I don't know, what is that? It's like, that's concrete, I think there's some shot through there. Do I have a light? No, I don't. Okay. Okay, I mean this looks pretty cool. It's quite dark. I think there's a door here. Okay, I think I just opened it. It's very dark.
Jesus.
What was that? Oh. Did the wall just change behind me? So that's a light switch, can I use it? Oh, no I can't. Okay. I guess I'll keep going down here then. Hope I find a flashlight or something soon. Okay. So that's me breathing. I'm just gonna back away from that. What is that? Should I go towards it, or? I think someone's there, but. Oh, is this a door? Should I just...
Shit.
Well, it is, but it's locked. Okay, well, I mean, I don't really want to go into the eternal void of darkness towards the heavily breathing person, but I think that's the only option. I mean, that's lit up, which makes me think I need to do something with it, but I don't think I could. I'll try again. Oh. Oh, it worked that time. Okay, there we go. Oh, what's happening? Oh no. Oh. I can't move. Oh, what was that? Oh no, what? I want to make the scariest game ever, from the nightmares deep in hell to the worst of horror. Buy me a coffee and rate my game from 0 to 10. How scary it was in the conversation of the game in Itch.io. Oh, that was it. Okay, that was really good. So on there they said obviously they've just learned it, and this was a great first game, honestly. It was very, very good. you did really build up the atmosphere and the fear in it very well. I think it was maybe a little too dark, but they did also play into the fear of the game very well. So I did really enjoy that. So nice work, well done, and thank you for submitting. Keep up the great work. So this one is Anomalous Phenomenon. And this is another horror game. So once again, let's just get right into it. Okay. Let's just press start. Anomalous Phenomenon, what could that mean? Oh, we're playing something. Oh, we're playing fast. 1:45. It's quite late to play a horror game. Shutting down buy box. It's getting late. I should go to sleep now. Yeah. Sensitivity's quite low. Okay, I know it's probably upstairs, but I can't explore. Alright, let's just go straight upstairs. Can't do the lights. No, can't turn the lights off. Alright. Which one's my room? Well, that's the bathroom. This one? That's dark. I don't think it's a bedroom though. Sensitivity's really low. Okay, yeah, this is my bedroom. I'm gonna get under the covers. Something fell, gotta check it out. Okay. Yeah, I mean that sounds like someone just broke in. Okay. Probably should get something to go down with me, but... Is this room bigger? I feel like it wasn't this big before, was it? I don't know. Right, where would it have come from? What's outside? Oh, I have to go for the fuse box. Oh, okay. Oh, take a flashlight in the kitchen. Use T to toggle it. T, okay, for the light. There we go. Okay, the sensitivity is now even lower. Can I change it? Yes, there we go. Okay, cool. Okay, so the fuse I think was right outside the window where I saw it sparking. What is that? Is that someone just left their car on? That's good. No, it's not there. What did I see spark then? Okay, I don't know. I mean, is it outside? That's Minecraft sounds. Oh, there it is. Oh, great, someone's opened it already. Perfect, so I'm getting robbed then. Great, it worked. Sensitivity's changed again. Okay. I'm more concerned about why it's open and was off in the first place. Other than I fixed it. I don't have a lot of stamina at all. Well, now what? Do I just go back to bed? My table's been flipped. This room has changed again, I swear. Am I going crazy or is everything changing? Because I swear those counters were over here, weren't they? I don't know. It was too dark to tell. Did I leave the mess like this, or what just happened? What's happening? Yeah, did I leave the mess like this, or did someone break in and do that? Oh. Oh, okay, my laptop says die. That's... Well, I guess we're not dealing with a person, then. I guess that's slightly better. I guess I won't do anything about that. Just go to bed, pretend like nothing's happening. Oh, what's happening? Oh, there's... Oh, okay, I can't leave. Okay. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh, it just blew up. Okay. Right. Yeah, so it's definitely not a person robbing us. Which I suppose is the plus side. What's that noise? What is that squelching? That's disgusting. Can I turn this off? No. What is... Is there something in like the bathroom? Oh, it's on the TV now as well. Which I also can't turn off. Okay. Let's just go back upstairs, I guess. I'm sure it's a mirage. Yeah, didn't I have a bathroom here before? Why can I also hear more static? Hello? Oh, hello. Okay, I've got a nice setup in here. And some paint, apparently. Okay, so it's just everywhere. Oh, and a tablet in here. Oh, no, okay, no, I am getting robbed. Where would my alarm be? Oh, okay, that's alright. See, this isn't good. Can I leave? I don't really want to. Oh no, my phone's ringing. There is a lot happening. Is that my phone? Well, that's not the right phone. Just wants me to go in there, and I just don't want to go in there, to be honest, so I'm just gonna leave. My neighbor. Oh, it's my car alarm. My neighbour's not, like, concerned as to what's happening. Can I... Okay, there we go. Am I supposed to answer the phone? Can I go to my neighbour's house and, like, ask them to call the police? No, I can't. I can't climb over the bush. How would I normally get in and out of my house? Oh, this way. Can I leave? Oh, I can leave. That's very surprising. Oh, no, I can't leave. Okay. Never mind. I have a very loud phone. I should probably go answer it. Oh, I forgot how loud this... Oh, okay. Never mind. I just got hit in the face with my door. Alright. Well, I guess I'm fine. And it's gone. I live in a very strange house. Okay, let's answer the phone. Oh, there's no one there. Of course. I need to take my pills and go to sleep. It's behind my laptop in the kitchen. Okay. If I was supposed to take pills, I feel like I should have done that a while ago. How many do I take? Okay, well I just took a lot. I might die. Okay. They're not really doing it. I'm just taking that without water as well. Okay, back to bed, I guess. Like, nothing happened. Yeah? Yep, back to sleep. Okay. Sure. Oh, the end. Okay. That was really good. I actually did really enjoy that. It did, it was very good setting it all up. There was lots of different scares everywhere, and I feel like some of them were kind of hidden ones. You only got if you went to certain places. Like the door one is because I went outside. But like I say, that was really good. I really did enjoy that. It's a nice, short and sweet horror game with a very good atmosphere. So really well done. I did really like that. Thank you for submitting, and again, keep up the fantastic work. So I think that'll be it for this video of Matt Plays Your Games. Thank you again to everyone who has submitted, and I'm still working through all of those which have submitted. And if you want to submit your own game, then I'll leave a link in the description down below to where you can do that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.